video, we from Group 3 will present the result of our group discussion on the course Inferential Statistics with the topic Two-Tailed Hypothesis Test. On this occasion, we will discuss the definition of the two-tailed hypothesis test, the hypothesis formulas, the characteristic of the hypothesis, the step of hypothesis testing, as well as the symbols and their description used in a two-tailed hypothesis test. First, let us start by understanding the definition of a two-tailed hypothesis test. Definition: a two-tailed hypothesis test is a statistical testing method used to determine whether there is a significant difference between a population parameter and certain value, regardless of the direction of the difference, whether it is great or smaller. This test is used when we want to examine whether a parameter is not equal to a specific value.
Second, hypothesis formula. The null and alternative hypotheses are formulated as follows. Null hypothesis. The parameter is equal to certain values. Alternative hypothesis. The parameter is not equal to that value. Characteristic of a two-tailed test. The rejection result located in borders of distribution, suitable for situation, but we only want to know if there is a difference, not the direction of the difference, can be used for testing propositions or the difference between two parameters.
Fourth, step in a two-tailed hypothesis test. Step 1. State the hypothesis. For example, we want to test whether the average body weight of students is not 16 kg. H0 mu equals 60. H1 mu does not 60. Step 2. Determine the significance level. Usually, alpha equal 0.05 or 5%. Then, critical radian equal 2.5% on the left and 2.5% on the right. Step 3. Calculate the test statistic. For example, if the distribution is normal and the population standard deviation is known, use the z-test. Z equal x bar mean mu 0 divided by sigma divided by square root of n. If the standard deviation is unknown and the sample is small, use the t-test. T equal x bar mean mu 0 divided by s divided by square root of n. Step 4. Determine the critical value or p-value. Use the z or t table according to the distribution used. If absolute value of z or absolute value of t is greater than the critical value, then reject H0. Step 5. Make a decision. If the test result falls into the rejection region, mean reject H0. If not, mean fail to reject H0.
5. Notation. Symbol and description in two-tailed hypothesis test. 1. Mu as population mean. 2. X bar as sample mean. 3. Sigma as population standard deviation. 4. S as sample standard deviation. 5. N as sample size. 6. Alpha as significance level. 7. Z as z-test statistic if sigma null. 8. T as t-test statistic if sigma unknown. 9. DF as degrees of freedom and mean one. 10. H0 as null hypothesis. 11. H1 is alternative hypothesis. Two sides not equivalent. This concludes our presentation.
Thank you.